Here I have HUAWEI MEDIAPAD T3 and let me show you how to set a screen lock protection on the following device. So first of all, let's start by using a home screen. Let's find and select the settings. Let's scroll down through the left bar and let's choose screen lock and passwords. Let's choose the password right here. And now you have to decide either you would like to use pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern. And let's do it again just for confirmation. Tap done. And that's it. Now if you would like to use the secure lock screen settings, you can tap here. Or you can just go and use your lock screen by pressing power key. And now if you would like to unlock your device, you have to input your pattern. Let me show you. And that's it. Now you may use your tablet. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.